I'm anticipating that there are few questions in your mind right now, and let's address those questions before we make any progress in this course. The first question that most of you are thinking right now is, can I learn Salesforce development? Well, of course you can, and that is the reason I created this course. It doesn't matter whether you are coming from a computer science background or not. If you are coming from a computer science background, then you may pick some topics in this course very quickly. But if you do not have any computer science background or if you do not know anything about programming, please don't worry because this course will help you learn all about Salesforce development. The second question that you might be asking is that Apex is similar to Java. So should I learn Java before I learn Apex? No, it's absolutely not required. To learn Apex, you do not need any knowledge of Java, or for that matter, you do not need any knowledge of any other programming language. But we do not know any of the programming fundamentals either. If we do not know Java, if we do not know any of the programming language, how can this course help us learn Apex? Well, as I said, you do not need any prior knowledge of any programming language because this course will help you learn all the programming fundamentals as well along with Apex. We are going to learn all the programming fundamentals before we make our way to learn Apex. The last question would be, what are the prerequisites to learn Salesforce development? There are no prerequisites as such, but if you have the knowledge of Salesforce configuration tool, then it can definitely help you, like whether you should write the code for a particular requirement or not. Can that particular requirement be achieved by the point and click tools? If yes, then why should I write the code? If you do not have the knowledge of Salesforce configuration tool, then what you will end up doing is for each and every small requirement, you will be writing the code, which is definitely not appreciated by anyone who is working on the Salesforce platform. Every Salesforce developer should know about the Salesforce configuration tools as well, like workflows, process builders, visual flows, because these tools can help you avoid writing code for each and every small requirement. Just to give an example, let's say on the opportunity amount update, you want to send an email to the account owner that this particular opportunity has been updated. So this can be done with the help of point and click tools available in Salesforce, and you should not write a code for it. If you do not have knowledge of Salesforce configuration tools and want to learn it before you make any progress in this course, then you can go to YouTube and search for my YouTube channel called SFDC Facts Academy. Go to my channel and click on the playlist tab here. I have a playlist named as Salesforce for Absolute Beginner, and in this playlist, I have covered almost all the awesome stuff on the Salesforce platform, along with the configuration tools like workflows, process builders, and Visual Flow. We'll also get to learn about Salesforce security, Salesforce objects, the object relationships, approval processes, and all the other stuff. So these were the questions that I could think of. If you have any further question, please use the Q&A section on this course. I always try to be as responsive as I can, so I'll definitely get back to you via the Q&A section.